Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the HTTP error code 503 service unavailable. Now this means that the server is currently unable to handle the request due to a temporary overload or maintenance. So for this, if you encounter this kind of error, I suggest the first thing that you need to do is the basic one. You need to try again later because this is a temporary issue in your browser. So you just need to try again later and then wait for a while. And if that doesn't help you fix the issue, move to the next method. So while you are in your browser, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down. You'll find settings, the one with the girl-like symbol. Click on privacy and security. Then here you have to click on this delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Then you need to go to the advanced time range, change that to all time. Browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data, cached images and files. You need to uh, check all of that or choose that, and then site settings and the hosted app data, but do not check the password in the autofill, and finally click on delete data. Then for the next method is we need to check some services. So type services in the Windows search bar. Click on services under the best match. Now scroll down to the W section as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Now here you'll find this service WLAN auto config. Make a right click and then select properties. Startup type, change that to automatic. If this is not yet running in your Windows, you have to click on start. If this is already running, click on stop. Click on start to restart the service. Click on apply and click on OK. Also look for the W1 auto config. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, change that to automatic. Service status, if this is not yet running in your case, you have to click on start. If this is already running, click on stop. Click on start to restart the service. Click on apply and click on OK and close this Windows, and you might just need to restart your Windows afterwards and open your browser again. And for the next method is you can also run some commands. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, type IP config space / flush DNS, hit enter. Next command, NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Now successfully reset the WinSec catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And afterwards, you just need to open your browser again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.